Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
Tweety Duck waddles oh so sweet, with tiny web feet that tap the street. She quacks so loud, quack, 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 waving her wings as she waddles back. Quack, quack, Tweety Duck, splashing in the water, she's full of luck. Flap, flap, watch her go. Through the pond she steals the show. Tweety loves to dive and swim. The water sparkles around her rim. She greets her friends, the frogs and fish. Playing all day is her biggest wish. Quack, quack, Tweety Duck, splashing in the water, she's full of luck. Flap, flap, watch her go. Through the pond she steals the show. In the sky, Tweety waves a sweet goodbye. Off to bed she dreams so bright of waddling fun in the morning light. Quack, quack, Tweety Duck, tomorrow brings more water and luck. Flap, flap, let's all sing. Tweety Duck, the pond's bright king.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.